What are some examples of sexual abuse by DCF allegations in Massachusetts? In Massachusetts, as in all 50 states, the taking of pictures and posting them on the internet is a very risky thing. And the practice you should follow is that if you wouldn't want that to show up on the front page of your local newspaper, don't post it up on the internet. And that especially is true about images of children. I recently had a client who's from another country, but when in Rome, do as the Romans do. We're here in America, you have to abide by American laws, but this person was from another country. And this person took a picture of their child, a young child, and posted it up on the internet, on Instagram, with no clothes on. The next thing she knew, she had the local state and the FBI at her home. And she indicated to them she'd never done this before. She only sent a picture of her child. In her country, culturally, children are not looked upon as being sexual objects. And they took her phone and her computers and everything in her home and forensically evaluated them. They also called DCF, who came in and supported an allegation at that time for sexual abuse. And then they changed it to neglect. The police found there was no intent. It wasn't intentional. There was no sexual abuse because she didn't have any intent to exploit the child in any way, shape, or form. With that said, DCF still supported an allegation of neglect for not properly taking care of the child and not doing the right thing. After much debate about the culture and the nature and the intent, DCF, much to his credit, overturned the decision by the area director. But the issue becomes the following, and the moral of the lesson learned here today is that when you have pictures of children, if they is exposing any parts of their genitalia, do not put it up on the internet or send it on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, whatever, however you communicate with people, Snapchat, I don't care what it is. You have no privacy on the internet. Once you put it up into the internet, it is for all to see. And sometimes well-meaning, well-intentioned people get harmed, get hurt, get allegations against them that are totally unnecessary. So do not put pictures of children with genitalia up on the internet, on Facebook, Instagram, or anyone else, because that may come back to haunt you. Right now, there's lots of scams going on and people that are utilizing child pornography. You do not want to get caught up into such a situation. How do you avoid that? No pictures with children showing genitalia. It's that simple.